Okay, 2-0. Paalala ko lang ha. Huwag sobrang nipis. Hindi kayo papel pag tumawad. Kochi to Boter. 10 seconds. Boter. 3, 2, 3. Okay, to Dago, to Miguel. Miguel, to Kirby. Oy! Sayang. 2 points. Bawal po ang late ko na bawal. Ang pinakabawal. Kochi, 2 points. 4-5. To Cipriano, rebound by George. Naku po, pinatakbo na naman. Saksakan ng advance. Datiles, pull up, no good. Nakuha ni Datiles. No good by Joshua. Rebound by Kochi. Okay, good, good. Nicely. Okay, 2 points by Oseo. 4-7. Pre, pwede hindi ka. Kailangan. Wait lang. Wait lang. Tingnan ko. Hindi ako maka-oo eh. Nang may 50 ako eh. Sana meron. Good yan, good. 4-7, 4-7. Seven, 6. Wait lang. Pre, Gcash ko na. Okay, labas muna, labas. 6-7 ah. May kumausap eh. Sorry naman. 6-7. Kung makapaghintay ka. Okay. Oh. Ito. Kulang pa akong 10. Kulang pa akong 10. 10 na lang ah. Kulang. No good by Boter. Para mga pagod sa trabaho ang mga players ngayon. Blocking foul. Dago. Tumira na ko. Kitang kala ko shoot na. To Cipriano. To Miguel. Miguel, ang ganda. Ang ganda nga ng pasa. Borja, no good. Oy, nagawan ng Kenny si Boter. Nagawan nga. Joshua, no good. Kirby, no good. Three minutes, 50 seconds. Nice pick. Nice shot by Boter. 6-9. Traveling. Bumomba na wala ang bola, pinilit, wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Miguel, 5 seconds. 2 seconds. And okay, 24 seconds. Sayang, bad pass. Miguel to Bautista. Bautista. Oy! Kala ko shoot. Steal by Miguel. Miguel, third drop, no good. Miguel again. Nice. Nakuha ni Datiles. Ang daming pasa ng solo joiners. 8-9. Two points by Moseo. 8-11. Rebound by George. Five seconds. Okay, 2 points by Datiles. 10-11, 1 minute 20 seconds. George, no good. Rebound by Bautista. Bautista, pull up is good. 13-11. Oseo, ang ganda nga ng pick. Sayang, rebound by Kochi. Kochi, 2 points. All 13. Okay, labas na lang. Last 30 seconds, ha? Datiles. Bad pass. Last 20 seconds. Wow. 17 seconds. 13, 15. Okay. 16 seconds. 16 seconds. 10 seconds. 6 seconds. 6 seconds. 2 seconds. Okay. 15, 17. Sino nakakuha ng bola kanina? Sila? O, inyo bola. Alanganin na. Baka tapos na ito, 55. Late tayo ng 10 minutes eh. Dito bola. 17, 15. Okay, 2 points by Bautista. Score all 17. Ang ganda naman ang pasa na yun. Three points by George. 20-17. Boter. Nagmamadali si Boter. Parang may lakad, pero may foul. Dago to Miguel. Miguel. 2 points. 20-19. na mga solo joiners. Twenty-two, 21. Wow! Jokic move! 24-21. Gatiles. Post cross court, masyadong delikado. 8 seconds. 2 points. 24-23. Ang haba talaga ni Bautista. Iba ang may high. Rebound by Cipriano, no good. Rebound by Cochi. Naku. Sayang. Dagu, 2 points. 24-25. Wow! Follow up. 26-25. Parang boxing. Puro 1-2 punch. Pre! Oy, ang lakas. Wala ka ng weekend. 26-29. Okay, good. 12 seconds. Twenty-eight, 29. Four minutes, 20 seconds. No good.
Maganda, makalaro mo siya. Ay, wala pala kayo pag Sabado eh.
Linggo?
Wala na rin buo eh.
Ha?
Si Puerto. Ano si Puerto? Tulungan si Puerto. Wala.
Thank you.
Wala, pag linggo kami.
Okay lang. Bautista, 2 points. 28-31. Tatlo lang po yan, ha? Kuching, extra pass to Boter. Nagdalawang isip. Step back lang ka. Nakuha ni Cipriano. Good, good. Gapines. Good. Hindi tumawag si Miguel. Oy, counted. 28-33. 5. Oo. 5 ang inahabol ng Black Sheep, ha? 2 minutes, 50 seconds. Oy, ang lakas. Bautista. Wow. 28-35. Foul daw, foul. Gatiles. 5 yan? Aalagaan na ba ng team solo joiners yan? Miguel setting the play. 12 seconds to shoot. Oy, nawala. 7 seconds. Wala. Sayang. Borja. Borja, 2 points. 30-35. 1 minute 48 seconds. 10 seconds. Still, okay. Dito bola. Nasipa ni Boter. Okay ka lang, Boter? Okay, dito bola. Wait. Okay, good. May tumawag pa ng foul? Ha? Okay, tumama daw dun sa naka-orange. Inbound. Thirty-two, 35. One minute, 10 seconds. 3. 32-38. Last 55 seconds. Last 50 seconds. 14 to shoot. 45 seconds. 5 to shoot. 37 seconds. Okay, good. Meron natin. Tuwa ka lang. Last 20 seconds. Ten seconds. 5 seconds. Okay.